Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Spring is upon us, and today's product is absolutely perfect for keeping your yard and your bushes in perfect shape, because it is a Anvil Pruning Shears. So these were sent over by a company called WORKPRO, and as you can see, they're a very nice premium set. This is an 8-inch pruning shears. They have a nice non-slip rubber grip here, so they're very, very comfortable to hold. They even have a loop down here in case you do want to put a string or something to hang them up, but very, very comfortable to hold. And then as you can see, this little green part is the lock. Now, I absolutely like the lock because it's easy to open up, but more importantly, when you're utilizing them, it doesn't slide in and lock itself. Thing I hate more than anything is getting a nice pair of pruning shears, and as you're utilizing it, the lock slides, and then you're all of a sudden you're constantly messing with it. That just causes more fatigue on your hand, and don't have to worry about this. Speaking of hand fatigue, it is designed very well. It has a nice little rubber stop here, a nice strong little fluid spring here in the middle, not a lot of pressure, so it's very easy to use. You're not gonna get that hand fatigue itself. Now, as far as the blade, this is a SK5 stainless steel blade. It can cut up branches and everything up to 3/4 inch thick. It's also nice and coated, so it's not gonna be, it's not gonna rust on you or anything like that. It works very well. Now you'll notice here on the bottom part, it has like this black serrated part. That is perfect for deadheading. So if you have any branches that have really dried out or leaves or anything like that, this is perfect for that, because not only is it gonna chop it, but then you also have this serrated part. So it works very, very well, particularly when you're deadheading and getting rid of any dried out, really old branches itself. Nice little feature, but very comfortable to use, very easy to hold. It makes a great way to do yard work. So if you're in the market and you're looking for some great pruning shears, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.